you have all the information in you. And whatever I teach, I actually just help people remember what they already know. And that's why it resonates for people. You know, they remember when I'm talking about this stuff. They go, oh yeah, that, you know, I remember that. That's right. You know, and and then when I'm not so accurate, then they might go, well, it's something like that, but it might not be exactly that. You know, and you know, because I'm still trying to get access to all of the information myself. But you know, in general, I just help people remember what they already know. And if you could actually, you know, to be the master that you are, since you have all the information, you are the master, you have to first realize you are the master, right? If you don't know you're the master, guess what? You can't be the master. So when the Buddha was asked, what are you saying, Buddha? Because you're saying that everything is the Buddha. So what's the difference between you and us? Who, you know, we don't feel, well, the Buddha just answered, well, the Buddha knows it's the Buddha, right? That's the only difference, you know? So as long as you don't realize that, but because you see, the problem is ego gets in the way. Now, ego, you know, gets afraid that you're going to have an out of control ego if you think of yourself as the master. So instead, you think that belittling yourself, thinking of yourself as less than the master, is a more humble way to go about life. But actually, that's very arrogant, because if you assume that you're less than the master, you're actually assuming that everybody else is less the master with you. And that's incorrect. In fact, by admitting that you're the master, you admit, if you do it correctly, you know, outside of ego tripping, you know, you realize that so is everybody else. So that is, you know, an amazing possibility, you know, is that you are not just, you know, so humility actually comes from admitting your own mastery.